do you think that it will have a larger effect on the cryptocurrency market when that starts happening?
Yes, oh, definitely. Like very, very important that the ETF gets approved starting from Bitcoin. How many more do I see? I don't want to be too out of my head. I would say Ethereum is the next one. After that is less obvious which one will be the next one. Because like when you talk about like ETF approval, right, you need to look at the volume, right? You need to look at the history, track record, etc. So Bitcoin, let's start with Bitcoin one, right? So the approval of Bitcoin ETF means it brings in the institutional liquidity. I always say that in crypto market, actually in any financial asset, right, liquidity is the ultimate uh, force that drives the bull market, the bull run. Look at 2021. One of the most important reasons that we experienced such a crazy bull market was because of the stimulus check, right? Of course, aside from many other reasons, that is like the most important reason. And the ETF brings in the liquidity from the traditional finance, traditional institutions, and that's a huge liquidity there. Like we start to see like pension funds invest in crypto in Bitcoin, and we see like hedge funds, like the banks, like the retails, all of them, like all different liquidity start to come to crypto. That will fuel a bull market. And yes, right now we only see Bitcoin, and I'm very sure that the next detail will be approved soon. And if not to mention that, Larry Fink, right, the CEO of BlackRock, he's so bullish on RWA and stuff. He believes that everything, in the next decade, financial assets, the tokenization of financial asset. So ETF is a gateway to that.